So I'm going to show you the Pecron E600 powering this refrigerator. It's a Samsung refrigerator with digital inverter. So this is a modern fridge. It's an old fridge that's been sitting here, but just check. So I'm going to turn it on. I hope you can see that. So it started 153 watts, and you can hear the fridge running. Yeah, so you can also charge your phone. As you can see, maximum output there is 1200 watts, and the battery on this thing is about 614 watt hours. So at this rate, with your fridge running at 34 watts, yeah, so it's a Pecron.